This is what we're going to be replacing today. The turn signal or the windshield wiper switch in a 2000 Ford Expedition. One of the key little things to make it easier is we're going to unscrew this. Then we have 3 different screws to undo here and remove the bottom covering and the top, and should be an easy fix. Now that we have that out, pull this down, just set that down. Plus you will need a T20 and Phillips and a flathead, and you might need an adjustable to work the knob out. Sometimes it's a little hard. Kind of got to bite down on it and get it out of there. And then you can see this is your first bolt and this is your second. Then you're going to have your wire connections. I'll show you that in a minute. This is where your flathead comes in so that you can undo these wire connections here. They have little tabs on them. Those are your 2 wire connections that have to snap back in. Now that we've got everything reconnected, see, I just have to bolt this on, get that screw there, and get the one that's under here, put everything back together and test it. Okay, we're gonna screw this back in, find that little hole. All right, start her up. Make sure the turn signal, hazards, and windshield wipers. Turn signal, all done.